Raise your money vibration so easily. In this video, we're going to start transforming your inner side around money, your inner energy, your inner vibration, your inner frequency. And as you do so, you're going to start manifesting money, prosperity, abundance a lot easier, a lot faster into your world. Just before we jump into the training here, throw a like on the video. As you throw a like on the video, it's just going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the consciousness of this planet just that much better, make this world a better place, have more people become aware of who they truly are. Also click subscribe on the channel and then click the bell icon as well, so you're notified when we send out other how-to manifesting, elevating your consciousness type videos, which is really going to help you live your greatest life. This is the channel, this is the only channel you're ever going to need around manifesting, allowing yourself to have the guides, to have the roadmaps, everything you need to allow yourself to move forward at a very fast and great rate. So what is this whole money game about? This money game is about energy. And when we want to manifest more money into our life, we want to live the element of prosperity, the elements of abundance. We just really want to see ourselves with full bank accounts, if you will. We want to see ourselves in abundance of money in this physical reality, right? Because money, I believe, is just an expression of who you are. It's just going to magnify what you're already doing. If you're a bad person, it's going to make you a really bad person. If you're a great person, it's going to make you a really great person. So you're deserving and worthy of having all the money that you could ever want in this world, right? Because I am sure that you're a very great person. You mean well in this world. You want to serve more people. You have a message to bring to this world. You have a legacy you want to leave behind. I'm sure you want to help your family as well. Maybe you've been through family struggles, or maybe not. Who knows? But if you've been through family struggles, I'm sure you want to help your family financially, or you want to do something for them in the future. Or at the same time, maybe you have a cause you want to give back to. You want to contribute and serve to a greater cause other than yourself, right? The more money you have, the more good you can do. And money is just a tool. Money is just a resource. It doesn't have to control you or anything like that. You can control it. We want to understand, in order to raise our frequency and raise our vibration around money, what's the whole cause of changing and shifting that frequency? It's thought. Thoughts induce feelings, and feelings are our conscious awareness of the vibration we're in. So when I say I'm feeling bad, what I'm doing is I'm consciously aware that I'm in a bad vibration. There's no really good or bad vibrations, okay? There's just higher or lower frequencies, if you will, but we can put those titles on the frequencies to better understand. Okay, so even though there's no bad vibration, we can categorize it as a label, if you will, on the vibration to understand it better. So when I say I'm feeling good, I can literally consciously be aware I'm in a good vibration, right? So when we're moving forward and I talk about money, or you talk about money, how do you feel? If you feel overwhelmingly frustrated and irritated about money, you can be consciously aware that the vibration I'm in around money is frustration and irritation. If I feel money is good and easy in my life, I'm going to really be aware that the vibration I'm in around money is easy and good. Okay, so how do we raise our vibrational frequency, if you will, around money? Is by changing our feeling. Because again, feeling is your conscious awareness of the vibration you're in, and feeling precedes the manifestation, or vibration precedes the manifestation. What does that mean? You have to get into the feeling before it's ever going to manifest. So instead of just focusing on the scenarios and circumstances around you monetarily wise, what we want to start focusing in on is the feeling. How do we do that? Again, thoughts induce feelings. So we need to change our thoughts to change the feeling, which changes the vibration. So start looking for, and step number one of this process basically is writing down all the good things you've ever witnessed around money. So that could be, one day you did get a bonus at your job. So you write that down, like that was a good happening around money. Another thing is maybe you run a business and you had a certain amount of unexpected sales come in, or new clients or new customers, right? You can be very grateful that that new money came in, so you write that down. Basically, in your consciousness, you're going to see more of the time bad around money or more of the time good around money. We want to shift your awareness to always finding good. Because again, what that's going to do is you're finding good thoughts, good points of view, good perspective. That's going to allow you to feel good around money. That's going to allow you to be in that good vibration, good frequency, and you're going to attract better. Okay, because the overwhelming amount of feeling that you give to an idea drops in the subconscious mind, and that's going to be impressed upon this physical time-space reality that we live in, and you're going to start aligning with circumstances and things in your life that's going to attract more circumstances like that. So really what we want to do is tap into a greater feeling around money, tap into that abundance and prosperous feeling. You're going to start to, over time, generate more prosperous conditions and circumstances. So you just want to follow along here and say, how many good things can I find around money? Well, I was able to go to the grocery store last week and pay, $150, and I had food for the week. That's good. That's a good use of money, right? So we can be thankful. Well, money was good in that way because it provided me food to eat. It provided my family some nutrition and some food to eat during the week, right? So that's a good thing around money. Another thing is, well, I just spent this amount of money on rent last month or this month, and I was able to live in shelter, right? I had protection, I had a roof over my head, I had heat or air conditioning wherever you live. I had, running water. I had running toilets. I had, a place to put my bed and live comfortably in, right? So that's a good thing around money. So you just constantly write down good positive aspects of money. And before you know it, you do this every day for, say, 14 days straight. You find 5 to 10 good things, 10 really best. Find 10 things good around money. You're going to start to feel better. You're going to start to feel relieved around money. You're going to start to let and allow yourself to experience more of that inflow monetarily wise. Because again, how you feel is a vibration you're in. So if you shift what you're feeling, you're going to shift vibrationally at the same time. You're going to be dropping new seeds into your subconscious mind, new ideas in your subconscious mind that must manifest themselves onto the screen in the space, right? And whatever's dropped in your subconscious mind, the universe, which is really you at your higher side, okay, is going to cooperate with you between the bridge of incidents to allow you to experience the unfolding of this beautiful idea that you've put into your subconscious mind. Because remember, the subconscious and the universal, everything's connected energetically. I'm connected with you energetically. You're connected with everybody you know energetically and all the people you don't know. Right? So if we're energetically connected to all people, it's like the universe will start to move these puzzle pieces together for you to experience what you dropped in your subconscious mind, bad or good. That's how this stuff works, right? So we want to understand whatever seed we plant in our mind, we're going to get. Well, how do you plant a seed? It's based on feeling. Feeling's the key, okay? So we start to look at these positive aspects around money. You start to journal about that every single day. Write down some good aspects of money, some good things that, money has done for you in your life. Some good things that money can do for your life. You start saying, I'm capable, I'm willing, I'm there for money. And you start to change that feeling. Not only that, but then you could talk freely better about money in your day as well, which would be step number 2. Talk out loud about how good money feels in your imagination. So if you live in tight circumstances, monetarily wise right now, your bank account, the cash, the income might be one that feels limited right now. If you want to get unlimited with your income, start talking as if it's already unlimited. Really hard to do when you're looking at your circumstances because your ego side will say, that's not real. You're lying to yourself, right? It's a physical lie, but it's a spiritual truth at the same time. So in your imagination, you want to start comparing your talk with your imagination, not the physical world. So you see in your imagination, you in prosperous conditions. It's what we call end scenes. And as you start seeing these end scenes in mind, talk about them. It feels good to be prosperous. It feels good to be abundant. It feels good to live in wealth. It feels good to align with money. Money feels good to me. Money feels aligned for me, right? Now, again, this is hard if you compare the words you're saying out loud to your present circumstances, right? Because they're going to contradict themselves. Instead of feeling like it contradicts, compare it to your imagination, your fourth dimensional side, who you really are at the fundamental level, spiritual, energetic being. Compare it to that level, right? And as you do that, you're going to start to impress your mind because feeling's the key that activates this idea to drop into the subconscious mind, that universal side of you, right? So start talking out loud how good money feels. Start talking about how good circumstances feel now that you live in more prosperous conditions, right? And as you do so, again, you're going to start to align. So again, write down some things positive. That's step number 1 around money. Number 2, find some good feelings around money the best you can. It's going to raise your frequency. Number 3, give yourself some rest. Okay. Now, a lot of people are going nonstop, and I've learned this myself so deeply, is you want to give yourself some time to take a moment and think, take a moment and be, take a moment and just be aware of your surroundings, right? Because what you're going to do is get back to your presence. You're going to get back to who you really are. And it's going to allow you to remember that you're an energetic being living in an energetic world, and money's just an energetic thing. As soon as we forget that, it's because we are just totally out of ourselves and into our circumstance. So we always want to go back to that simple framework. I'm an energetic being living in an energetic world, and money's an energetic thing. So if I change my energy, I'm going to change the energy around money in my life, right? That's the core concept here. So beautiful ideas. In the comments below, go ahead and say in the comments, I just now activated whatever sum of money you want. Thank you, universe. So I just now activated $10,000. Thank you, universe. So go ahead and drop that in the comments below to activate the phrase, I just now activated blank amount of money. Then say, thank you, universe. And then it's going to allow you to activate that into your world. After you do that, go ahead in the description. If you want a little bit more help on this, we have manifestation courses that are the most deepest, easy, effortless, but at the same time fun and effective proven methods around manifestation you're ever going to find in today's world. So go ahead in the description below, check out our manifestation courses. We have coaching around manifestation where I can coach you directly, as well as coaching courses that allow you literally step-by-step guides on exactly how to use all this information. Because I know one time in my life I was very confused. There was so much going on. It's like, how do I do all of it, right? How do I learn all this personal development and actually apply it all? Well, we've built a system that allows you to do that. I've discovered a system that allows you to get proven results. We've had over 2,000 members wins just posted in the last 8 months, financial wins that people are fulfilling their financial destiny. Sums of small to $200-$300 manifested in a week, upwards to $260,000 manifested in 1 month. Sounds like magic numbers. They're really not when you understand this process that, you might manifest wherever you're in harmony with, whatever you're ready for, of course. So if you're ready for a smaller amount, you'll get that. If you're ready for a little larger amount, you'll get that. And ultimately, the course prepares you and readies you for those larger amounts of money coming in as well. They're really beautiful and fun ways to go about it. Rather than trying to do this all yourself, you could get help, support, and guidance along your path, as well as get the action items you can use on a daily basis. So try out today's video techniques, raise your level of vibration. After you raise your level of vibration, be open and receptive to getting more guidance and support on your journey by going in the link below with the Manifestation Accelerator course, as well as our coaching, to allow yourself to really experience that next level result in your life and business that you might be seeking, that you might have wanted for a long time. Well, now's the time. Okay, you can get that help, get that support, and have that direction, that roadmap for you to really experience what to do in this energetic world. All right, try out the ideas here in the video, join in one of our courses, and allow yourself to get the guidance and support that is worthy and deserving within you. All right, Scott Haug signing off here, and I look forward to hearing all about your great results and also seeing you in our courses sometime in the near future, if not today.